Hello guys, here's Alan from ESA. Welcome to AVG International Artificial Glass Corporation. Our company was founded in 1982, which is a leading supplier and manufacturer in this industry. And today it's my great honor to be here to make a tour guide about our company. So without further ado, let's get started.
AVG International Artificial Glass Limited Corporation is the leading supplier of sports, leisure and decoration artificial turf and soccer facilities in China. As one of the top 3 artificial turf suppliers and sports facilities manufacturers in the world, we have obtained more than 16 national patents and passed ISO 9001, ISO 14001, ISO 45001 CE, and other international certifications. For the installation of the field, there are authoritative testing institutions to test and confirm the final field construction and installation quality, and the obtained certificates will be published on the website for inquiry, and it comes with professional lawn maintenance skills training to maximize the installation effect and improve the life and performance of the lawn.
Here is our showroom. In this area, you will witness multitude products in here. After more than 30 years of accumulation and participations, our products have reached the highest standards of FIBA, FIVB, and IRB. We take the performance of natural gas as the benchmark, combined with authoritative scientific research institution test data from the customer needs to achieve the investment to meet the actual needs at the same time, taking into account the performance requirements and safety requirements of all aspects of artificial turf.
The sports performance of glass fiber has passed the test of Labo Sport Laboratory, the laboratory designated by FIBA, and the safety performance has passed 168 heavy metal tests by SGS, the authoritative institution, and the quality is in line with EU and ISO standards.
Here is our production line. We have 15 advanced automatic production lines imported from USA and Europe. We're capable to produce more than 30 million square meters a year of artificial lawn and multi-type football supporting facilities annually.
AVG headquarters is located in the famous Guangzhou Economic Development Zone. The secondary production base located in Zhaoqing National High-Tech Industry Development, Henan base, overseas Vietnam production base. For production size totaling more than 100,000 square meters. In addition, we have set up an overseas warehouse in California, USA. AVG is the only manufacturer in China that owns the production technology of the hybrid systems. That is natural glass and synthetic glass as well as the system of woven turf. With 14 years of accumulations of experience, AVG enjoy a good reputation all over the world. Last but not least, if you have any inquiry, please feel free to contact us anytime.